All the basic programs, C programs, how to write and all from the beginning we are discussing. The first program is what? Just to print hello world. Hello world is a sequence of characters, just like a message, like a string. Strings always we put it in double quotes only. As we know that program execution starts from the main function. Return zero means what? Is giving information to operating system that program executes successfully. Printf function is belongs to predefined library header file called stdio, standard input output header file. How can we connect the program, our program, with the libraries means what? Using hash include. So when you run the code, it will show that output simply like this. Now, multiple print statements we are writing in a single one. Hello world, hello world. Let's say welcome. Now I'm writing three statements, three printf statements to print three different words. We are writing in three different lines, but when we execute the code, it will display side by side. In a single line, it is displaying. So we need to display in three different lines. There is an escape sequence /n. So this will print. Next, when we are printing this /n, it will send the control to the next line. Same after world also /n will send the control to the next line. So then output will come in a three different lines. /n directly you can place here also. Instead of writing that separate print statement, after writing the word, you can make it. Here also you can use a /n, but anyway, it's a last word. So output will not change. Let's say now we are writing everything in a single line. Look at this. All the three words with the separator /n we are writing. And when we are executing this, output is. So in different ways we are printing. Next one is variable declaration. We already discussed that variables also. Let's say I'm taking one variable A. It is what type? Integer type. And when you are printing that A, here it is, don't print that A. A means what? Output will come that A only. Just a message. If you want to print its value for integer, here it is, I'm just writing in comments. For integer, we use a format specifier is %d. %d is a format specifier. Okay, so when we are executing that, here you need to specify %d, %d, comma a. So when you run it, look at the output. Some garbage value will print. This is called garbage value. This is called garbage value. And this is local variable. Inside the main function, if you declare any variable, is called local variable. Sir, if we are not giving any value, what would be the value? Is there some random value? That is garbage value. Is a random garbage value. That is. Okay. And suppose, sir, if I write this outside of the main function, it will call global variable. Outside of the main. Sir, then now what would be the value? So when you run it, it will be 0. It will be 0. Local variable initialized with the garbage value. Global variable initialized with the default value 0. Okay. Now here I'm writing local variable and now I'm initializing. Initializing means what? Giving some value also. Giving some value. Now in place of this, that output is a 10 will print. How many variables you want to declare? Let's say if you want to declare multiple variables with comma separator, b equals to 20, c equals to 30. When multiple variables, if you want to declare, let's say ABC with the values 10, 20, 30. So I want to print B also, comma, I just want to give comma separator. Here it is B. Like A value will store in place of this percentage D. B value will store in place of this percentage D. With comma separator, both A, B values will print. As a C value also will print percentage D, and here it is a comma C, like this. With comma separator, it is printing. Let's say instead of comma separator, I'm just giving, look at this, slash T I'm giving. T means what? Tab space. It will print with the tab spaces. Tab spaces will print. Next one, I want to print in a 3 different lines means what? Slash n. Then in 3 different lines, it is printing. 10, 20, 30. In 3 different lines are printing. Okay. Now, here, I'm just taking that values, A and B. When we are printing clearly, look at this, A equals to percentage D. Like with the message we are printing, A equal to, then A value will display in place of this percentage D. A equals to 10. If you use a comma separator, yes, B equals to percentage D, comma B printing. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Got it? It is printing. A equals to 10, B equals to 20 is printing. Like this. Okay. And now, the same. If you want to send the control to next line, slash n will send the control to the next line. Okay. And next, sir, I just want to store one decimal value float. Float. Let's say x is equals to 2.3. If you want to print float variable, percentage EF. F is the format specifier to represent. Is printing 2.3. Here, look at this. Up to 6 decimals it is giving. Okay, so by default, float is giving print up to 6 decimals. But we don't want to print all the 6 decimals. Then here it is point. How many decimals you want? Like 2. It will print up to 2 decimals. Let's say 1. It will print up to only 1 decimal. That is. Okay, next. If you want to print a sequence of characters, let's say string, your name, character pointer we can use, but better we use name, 20, suppose. Name of 20 means maximum number of characters we are providing. Maximum number of characters. So any name, sequence of characters, always we put it in double quotes. We put it in double quotes. And here, how to print means what? Percentage yes. Like a string, we are printing. And the name, so output is. This is what printing this string. Sir, single character I want to print. If you take single character, ch is equals to, let's say G. Here it is. I'm printing percentage C. That ch we are printing. Ch. Side by side is printing. Na? You know that reason. Just slash n. Slash n will send the control to the next line. Single character means what? Here, no need to specify square brackets, size, and you must put it in single quotations. You must put it in single quotations. And percentage C we have to provide, not a percentage D. Got it? Right. Next. Here, using all the variables, I just want to display like a person details. So one is a name of the person, name of the person. Second one is a age of the person. Next one is a float, height of the person. Next one is a gender of the person. Gender. Okay. Now, how can we print all with the comma separator? Just comma. First one is a name. It's a string, sequence of characters. So that is percentage yes, string. Age, percentage D. Height, float is a percentage F. Gender is a percentage C. Then you need to specify first name, age, height, and gender, all the four. In which order we are giving that format specifiers? In the same order we are providing the variables. So then output will come. See? Sir, I want to mention here clearly name equal to, age equal to, height equal to, gender equal to. Then we'll print all. See? Okay. Here it is showing that some information and value, variable information value. To send the control to the next line, just slash n everywhere. Slash n, slash n, slash n. Here in the last case, slash n is not required. See, all the details is printing. Sir, height, I just want to print only 5.8. You know already, 0.1 f is printing this. Got it? Now, if you want to print like a basic arithmetic operations, let's say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mod. We know already. First, I'm declaring that variable a equals to 5, b equals to 2. I want to print the sum, c equals to a plus b. I'm storing and now I'm printing. Clearly, sum equal to percentage d and c printing. Let's say if you are not writing this one, of course it will print the value, but not meaningful. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. But what is 7? So that's why I'm just giving sum equals to percentage D. As a 7 is printing. Got it? Sir, more clearly I'm printing. Look at this. Percentage D plus percentage D equals to percentage D. A, B, C printing. Look at this here. A value 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Here. See, here we are performing the operation, storing into the variable, and we are printing. Instead of writing this, here you can make it directly operation. A plus B will give the same output. You can do the operation and collect the result into variable. Then you can print the variable, or directly operation you can make it here. Okay. Let's say now I just want to read input values. I'm taking one variable. Now I'm not giving the value. I'm asking enter a value. This message will display on the screen. Look at this. When you run, the message is displaying on the screen. So then we need to enter. That value, something you enter, will read by the scanf. Scanf is for reading. Percentage D. Why? Because it's an integer. And this is important. You must specify address operator. Address of A. A address we need to specify. Then the value will go and store into this address. Then we are printing that input value is A. Whatever the value you input. Let's see. Enter a value. Suppose 20. Input value is 20. Like this. Next one, see. Enter first number. We are taking into A. After that, we are asking enter second number. Enter second number. Okay. Into B. Then just adding them. I want to print their sum. A plus B. So first this line executes. See, executing. First number I am giving 12. Next this line is executing to read that 13. Then sum is printing the 25. 25. Sir, suppose I am giving like this. Enter two numbers. Percentage D. Don't use comma. Percentage D. Address of A, address of B. Here don't give comma, space, nothing. Combinedly you please write. Very important. Okay. Now you have two options to give the input. Either by giving space between, output will come. See here, space I am giving. Space. Next. 10. Enter 20. Generally they use enter everyone to give the input. Either by giving the space or by using the enter symbol we are giving. Or by using the enter symbol we are giving. That is. Got it? Now, I just want to read character. Just char ch. And I'm asking enter character. So scanf percentage C. Ch I'm taking. And when we are printing that, the character is percentage C. As usual, ch printing. But see, observe this. Observe this. Enter character. If you give a single character, happy. Character is a G. Sir, If I give multiple characters, let's say Gemini, but still it will take the first character only. Percentage C can catch up only the first character, not all the characters. That is important. Okay, now here it is. Next one, I just want to read a string. I just want to read a string. I told you now, you need to specify that square brackets. I'm asking, enter your name. Enter your name. Percentage yes for string. And one important point is here. No need to give ampersand. Why? Because in strings concept, briefly we will discuss. Don't worry. Just that name. Here we are printing, let's say hello, and that name we are writing. Hello name. Or any message after name, let's say welcome means what? Look at this. In this place of percentage S, the name value will print. Enter that name. Let's say Amar. Hello Amar, welcome. Hello Amar, welcome. That is the one. Hope you got it. Right. Now, sir, all the things I want to read. A very, very important one here. Very, very important. I'm reading the name. Next, I'm reading the age. Let's say I'm reading the gender. So I'm asking enter your name. Next, enter your age and gender. Enter your age. Enter your gender. Age is what? Integer percentage D. Ampersand required? Age. Character percentage C. Ampersand required? No? Gender. And I'm printing all the three, let's say details, just a message. Percentage or simply directly we are writing. Percentage yes, percentage D, percentage C. Name comma, got it? Age comma, gender I'm printing. See, first it is asking a very, very important, listen. First I'm asking, enter your name. Yes, I entered. Enter your age. Yes, I entered. But gender is not taking, look at this. Why? Because after giving that age 23, you press enter now. That enter only will automatically store into the percentage C. That is the problem. So it is not asking the gender to take. After some input values, if you want to read character in the middle, see here, space we have to use. You must use this space compulsory. Now run the code, just space. Now I am giving that Annie, age is 21. Now see it is asking gender. This space is very, very important. After reading some of the input values in the middle, if you want to read that character, here we need to use this space symbol. You need to use space symbol. That is, here we are using. This is the simple way of taking different input values in C programming. Okay. Now, here it is. I'm doing the operations like this. Sir, I'm taking that A equals to 10. And when we are printing, I forgot to give A and checking. Percentage D means what? Which value will print means what? Again, some garbage value will print. You must give the variable. You must give that variable or else it will print the garbage value. That is, hope you understood. Okay. And some more arithmetic operations like I want to take n value, a value and b value. So directly I am taking a value and b value. I just want to print quotient and remainder. Q, quotient means what? A by b. Remainder, a mod b operation will give the remainder. So we are printing clearly what is the quotient. What is the quotient? Q. And in the next line, what is the remainder? With a clear message I am giving. With a clear message R. If you don't want to print side by side, as a slash n. Slash n. Here it is a semicolon is missing. Yeah. Quotient is a 2, remainder is a 1. These are like basic arithmetic operations if you want to take. Let's say I just want to find area of circle using pi r square. Using pi r square. Okay. Here the point is what? I'm declaring our radius we need to take. Sir, I want to take input means you can use a scanf. I'm taking 5.6. Pi value, you can directly create 3.14. Now area of circle. Area. Why taking float means what? We are using the decimal operation. Right? Pi is multiplied with r is multiplied with r. Pi r square. We are printing that area is, that result is the area only, no? Area. Area printing 5.6 into 3.142 like this is giving that area. And next in the same way, I just want to find sum of first n numbers. 5 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Using the formula directly, n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1. N plus 1 by 2. Formula. First this n plus 1 execute. Sorry. First this n plus 1 execute. Then that is multiplied with n because you have written in parenthesis. And we are printing. Look at this sum of first n numbers. N means what? Percentage D. N numbers is a percentage D. N comma sum. Look at the output. Sum of first 5 numbers is a 15. Let's say here I'm taking that 7. Sum of first 7 numbers is a 28. Like this. Got it? So practice all these things.